Hey you guys, I'm back with another Halloween tutorial, and today we're going to be doing this little creepy jack-o'-lantern face. It's super easy, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going in with my not polished black to give me my base, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with that Koopa matte top coat to give me something smooth to work on. Alright, now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with It's a Party by Not Polished, but instead of acrylic this time we're going in with gel polish, and we're going to start off by drawing a big smile line. All I'm going to say is that go up higher on the sides because it just gives it a more creepy effect. And then we're just going to go on with some lines for the eyes. They don't have to be perfect because it's going to look scratched up and scary anyway. And then all you're going to do is take the tip of your brush and draw lines through it. The only thing is that you don't want a lot of polish on your brush, and you want to try to get rid of the original smile line that you drew by scratching through it. You can do lines of different lengths and how they start higher and lower, and then you're going to do the same thing with the eyes. Just go ahead and scratch it out. Now we're going to go in with two little crooked looking dots, then we're just going to connect them together with some more scratches, and that's it, girl. Now I'm going to go in with my Koopa Shine Top Coat. You know Koopa Top Coat gives me the shine all the time. Then I'm going to go ahead and cure that. And there she is, nice and scary, very simple but cute for the Halloween season. Go ahead and try it out. Remember that your clients don't know what they can get until you show them what they can get. So go ahead and practice so they can see what you can do. I'll see y'all in the next video.